Stay right here. He's messing with this. I think this is magnetic. Isn't it? Of course, we could have gone potty too.
I didn't need to.
You didn't?
I didn't need to.
Telling you, we got stones.
Where are you going?
I'm right here to potty.
Okay.
You stand up there.
Alright, we'll see you guys back.
Why? Because Mom's gotta go potty. Well, there's chairs right there. We can sit there too.
Your attention on the concourse. If you have any passengers that just now arrived from Las Vegas on flight number 1651, please double check your belongings. Make sure you have the correct luggage. Any passengers that just arrived from flight 1651 from Las Vegas, please double check your luggage. Make sure that you do have the correct item. Thank you.
How do you put this? I don't know.
I'm recording a video.
Great. Hey, tell her to go potty.
Is open 24 hours a day.
Hello YouTubers, and today I'm making a vlog, and why I'm so quiet is there's too many people around. Literally. And I just got a microphone at home, so also why I'm being quiet is that I just got off a plane. 3-hour plane. It is now, I don't know what time it is.
Service to Orlando, his door mark C40. 200 to confirm seat on board United 2056 with service to Orlando. Please cross gate C40 for boarding and departure.
So, yo. What?
Ladies and gentlemen,
She's in the
all
bathroom.
also passengers for Orlando 2056 to gate C40. All also passengers for Orlando 2056 to gate C40. Thank you.
If I go with him, can he go into the shop?
Yeah.
I'm still recording. I haven't even recorded for
2 minutes at a time.
Okay.
You know, I bring mine. I'm afraid you'll only Let me in the gate. Okay. You get one, let me know. Then I want to. Okay.
I have 1 minute left. You know what? I'll pause when it gets to 5 minutes. Nom, nom.